Oh, no way. Wait, where'd that shot come from?
Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? It's Adam from Cantuck Lifestyle. We got
What's up, everybody?
Adam Pettingill from Adam Pettingill Media. We're here. We're doing some stuff tomorrow. Watching him on TV because that's what we do.
Quality checks. Making sure it sounds okay.
That's what we're doing. Making
And
sure
also we
everything's
miss mini nats.
good. And we definitely miss mini nats. That's a big deal. Secretly, I have something planned for Adam that he's going to hopefully turn into a video down the road. And right now, it's on top of the couch right there. So, Adam, unroll those.
Oh,
Hold on a sec. I'm gonna
geez,
put
these
this
are
around.
heavy. What the hell? Oh, no way. Wait, where'd that shot come from?
From your lovely partner.
Dude, that's sick of Dad's car? Why is there 3 of them?
Oh, one was a reprint,
Oh.
just in case. But we got that, and
Oh, and then Aftermath. Oh, dude, that's sick. That's the shot she just took a couple weeks ago.
it is, yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's so rad.
So, for people that don't know, these are canvases, and Adam
yeah.
wanted some artwork for his garage. So hold on a second. I'm going to pass you to Adam for a sec. Here.
Word. These are amazing. Check this out. So that's Dad's 51 Merc from the car show Rebecca and I went to at the beach. And then, then that's Aftermath right there.
And these
Oh,
are the
sweet.
frames.
Perfect.
So Adam now has something to do for a video.
Excellent.
There you go.
Yeah, I definitely want my house to have our artwork in it and our pictures of everything we take. And Rebecca's a phenomenal photographer, so this is killer. This is amazing. I had no idea she was sneaking around doing this, did we?
So I reached out to Rebecca a couple days ago and said I wanted to get something put together because Adam actually got that for me after we went to Texas last year. Or last year?
2 years ago, 2024.
And I figured that he has nothing better to do over the winter than to stretch the canvases himself.
I absolutely don't have anything better to do over the
there you
winter.
go.
That's pretty amazing.
It's a build your own
Sweet.
canvas set.
Awesome. I
Right?
appreciate that, homie.
There
I
you
love
go.
you, man. That's amazing. It's a build your own canvas set.
There you go.
Paint by numbers.
Long live Pops.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's killer. Oh, dude, I'm super stoked. That's amazing. I had no idea. I've been sitting here for like 4 hours since I got here. I just figured it's more rap stuff for you behind the couch.
Oh, man.
I had no idea.
That's compliments of Rebecca and Cantuck Lifestyle.
Sweet.
Check us out.
Check us out. Make sure you go and subscribe. Follow on all the socials. That's amazing.
Cool.
Sweet.
All right, brother.
Awesome. Appreciate it, homie.
Let's go.
Little bit of an update since you've last been out here in the shop when we were doing the F100 engine pull. We have managed to get a whole ton of our artwork and license plates and banners and projects we've worked on and companies we work with around here and some of our surfboards that I've shaped and my longboards and all kinds of fun stuff all hung up in the shop to make it feel more like home. It's great. We're going to keep adding to it. We have so much more stuff to come out of the other shop. So that's great. Aftermath is in here right now. It's over on the hoist for the winter so we can start tackling it. The engines are pulled out of the truck. This one is leaving. That's our new 302 right here that we're going to have on the run stand. And that's it. Then it's time to go south. And it's time to head for Nicaragua to the house. Can't wait to get down there. Our buddies are down there. Can't wait to surf. Can't wait to be in the ocean and not in this garbage. All this garbage, which just showed up last week, and it sucks. I like snowboarding, but I hate winter, and I'd much rather be in the salt water and in the surf. And if you haven't checked out any of those videos, there's entire playlists from the last 3 years all through this channel of surfing and Nicaragua and everything we get into down there, releasing baby turtles, which is leading me to a whole nother thing right now. I am going to be starting a whole nother channel just solely based in life in Nicaragua, because I don't want to deter anybody from this channel thinking that it's automotive, but then it's surfing, but then it's tropical, and then we're doing this. Yes, this is my lifestyle channel, and it's everything automotive, because automotive is my life. It's everything that I do, surfing, kiting, skateboarding, everything. But Nicaragua has become such a big part of our lives that we want to bring every experience to you just on a separate channel, so that you don't get upset when you don't see automotive or don't see shows or anything like that. We'll bring you a little bit of content, but nothing crazy. Ooh, there's some snow. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to put the link down in the words below. We'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. So make sure, if you want to follow along our adventures when we go tropical and we hit Latin Central America, please go give us a follow, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Means the world. We're still going to be over here doing this because we got a lot of stuff to do. We've got Rebecca's van, which is getting ready for a makeover. We've got the F100 sitting over there. We're getting ready to do a lot of stuff coming up. We got a lot of shows in the new year. We got a couple major debuts with huge show vehicles that are going to be Detroit, Autorama, Motorama, Texas, yada, yada, yada. So make sure you go follow our other channel if you want to stay up to date on where we are. We're going to bring you a little bit of content from down south and tropical. There is a lot of cool trucks and cars and stuff like that that we usually find when we go into the villages and towns. So we'll like to bring you some of that stuff. That being said, I want to thank everybody for the support. Thank you to all our new subscribers. You guys are amazing. The numbers keep going up every day. You are the reason we are able to keep doing fun stuff and bringing you fun stuff like doing road trips to Lone Star Throwdown and having our truck on the banner and on all their stuff. Hanging out with our good friends ODB for OLP. Make sure you listen to the podcast and make sure you check them out at all your shows. This kind of stuff is what we do live for. This is our passion and our lifestyle. We just do a lot of other things involved, like surfing and skateboarding and all kinds of other fun stuff. So, hope everybody has a great Christmas and a New Year. By the time this comes out, it's probably either going to be really close to it or just shortly after it. Either way, have a great, safe holiday season. Spend it with your family. Keep them close. Enjoy your time. And I think it's time to get out of here. I'm really sick of snow. Okay, let's go. And just like that, I told you we had something up our sleeve. It's going to be fun. So make sure you stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Let's go.